What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Hey, this is not your Monday motivation.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
I just posted the same topic and the same header on my personal page, but I wanted to share this with you because it was a little different thought, right? Like, you guys are in this group for virtual wholesaling or just wholesaling real estate in general, looking for tips and techniques. And so I don't like motivational posts as much as I like action steps that give you results. Hence the name of my company, REI Results and REI Results Academy and Trusted Results Realty. So here's the deal. Stop projecting into people what you think they need to hear. That's the headline up above. Stop projecting into people what you think they need to hear. What that might sound like in every situation is going to be different. However, most of the time I know from following you guys, from following other influencers in our business, is that you tend to have conversations when you're negotiating deals that sound like this. Well, it looks like we should probably update this or maybe do this to the house, and so we're going to have to deduct for that. In reality, that's what you think that these folks need to hear. It's the complete opposite. What they need to hear from you is two things. One, something that indicates that they know, like, and or can trust you. They don't need all three, but they need to know you and like you, or they need to trust you and know you, or they need to know you and like you, right? They don't have to trust you to do business with you. I've never been one to believe that. But what I do know is this. People don't want to be told what to do unless they ask for it. And typically, if they're asking for it, they want to know how to do it, not what to do. And so if that's the case, you need to stop projecting into people what you think that they need. So if I was to take that same conversation and reframe it, I might ask a better question like, ooh, what happened over here? And just let that customer talk. Maybe I ask them, ooh, when was the last time that you've had somebody take a look at that roof? And then I rack them, repeat, acknowledge, question. 5 years. So have you had any leaks that you've noticed? Right? So I'm going to ask better questions, in turn, creating a limiting belief. And when they have these limiting beliefs, you become the expert, you become the authority, and you, my friend, can get more deals with larger profits. In the meantime, when you stop projecting into people what you think that they need, they will tend to fall down at your feet and give you everything that you need, whether that's the contract, or your wife or child to do the dishes, your son or your husband to do this or do that, whatever it may be. Stop telling people what you think that they need and asking them how you can serve them, or asking them better questions about their circumstance. And you'll see that you'll get 10 times further and faster. God bless you. Stay sharp, and I will see you all at the top. Take care, y'all. Guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So, subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.
Every single